What's up, GeekGirl World? This is Ari, and welcome to unbaggings or unboxings of food, or what should we call this? Untastings? Untastings. So we were at LA Comic Con this weekend, and we went by this booth called the Truffle Cottage, and we got all this really cool chocolate there, and we talked with the founder of the Truffle Cottage and all of the chocolates that are handmade. So we're going to show you that footage right now.
We're from Salt Lake City, Utah, and we got invited to do the Salt Lake City Comic Con, the very first one they did in Salt Lake. So we worked out a deal on the booth because I said absolutely I'll do it. And then I had to get on my computer and Google what is a Comic Con. And from there, this is what happened. So it's a very fun, creative business to be in. It could be a little fatty, but I like it. It's great. It's fun to be creative with chocolate. They are all handmade.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Take some close-up shots.
Yeah, definitely. Tag the Truffle Cottage. Yeah.
Those are nice.
There. These are all chocolate. There's actually a chocolate Pokemon inside.
Oh.
And you don't know which one you're going to get. You need to get one so you can open it up, right?
Yeah,
I'm gonna get one. So these here, and you hold these two up, and then I'll hold these two up. These are the supernatural chocolates. We'll hold these towards the camera. You hold them to the camera too. So hold them. So these are supernatural chocolates. And this one, of course, you can see this is like the mark that they put, what is it called? It's like the mark that they put on their chest. They tattoo it on their chest, but if you put this on, then you can't be possessed. Like if you have this mark, it prevents you from being possessed, and they have it tattooed on.
Demon trap?
No, this isn't a demon trap, but I forget what it's called. It's called some kind of mark.
Pentagram?
Well, it is kind of a pentagram, but it has a name. It's a mark. But anyway, this one is a chocolate mousse truffle, and this one is supposed to be Dean's apple pie, because Dean loves pie. Dean is a pie guy, so this is like Dean's apple pie. And then this one is Castiel's wings, and this is a red velvet truffle. And then this one is like the king of hell, and this one is a dark chocolate truffle. So we're gonna open these up and we're gonna taste them. Which one do you want to taste first?
Apple pie.
You want to taste apple pie? I'm gonna taste the chocolate mousse one with I think it's the devil's. I think it's a demon mark, or it's some kind of. Oh gosh. Okay, guys. Okay, if you guys remember, I probably will Google this right after I stop recording. But yeah, go ahead and post in the comments below what the mark is called. I mean, I know that's like one of my favorite scenes when Lilith is about to come and storm the police station, and they're like getting everybody ready to like battle all the horde of demons that's about to come, and they're like painting the marks on people, and they're like, well, where's your mark? And they're like, oh wait. But you're like, oh yeah. But yeah, spoilers if you haven't seen that. Well, she hasn't seen it. You've only seen season 1. Mm-hmm. But I haven't seen any of the new episodes. I think there's 3 episodes this season that I have not seen yet. Take a little bite because I want some too. Is it good?
It's gooey in the center.
Oh, good? That one's good too. Okay, you want to switch? So let's switch. It's gooey, like gooey apple pie. Mmm. I didn't get any of the greenness. I just got the white chocolate. I gotta bite from yours. Mmm. It's like a cookie dough apple pie. It's like really good. It's like a cookie dough, almost. Mmm. That is really good. Okay. So now we're gonna try. I'm trying Castile and you're trying King of Hell, and then we switch.
I think this one's the prettiest.
That is very pretty. Although I do like the design that was on the Dean apple pie one. That was a really good design too. They're all very pretty. And they're all handmade too. That's like really, like, oh man, it's lots of time and effort in that. How's that one?
Good.
Good? Let me try mine. Mmm. It's got like a, kind of like a cherry filling. Here, you try this one. You're gonna eat all the Dean apple pie, huh? You like that one, huh? Okay, I'll try the King of Hell. Mmm. That's some really dark chocolate. Oh, wow. That was good. Okay, so we'll put those to the side. Now we have the Pokeball that has a real Pokemon inside. The Pokeball has a Pokemon inside. So let's see who the Pokemon is inside. Do you want to see who the Pokemon is inside, Minnie?
Yeah.
Here, lift it out.
I really like the fondant. What's this?
Okay, so yeah, the Pokeballs, little Pokeballs inside. Okay, that was a mess. Oh, here's the Pokemon that was inside. I don't know if you guys can see that. Oh my gosh, so here's the Pokemon that was inside our Pokeball. Oh. So next we have the Weeping Angel. And I guess you guys saw this on camera, but like on one side, they have their eyes closed, and then on the other side, they're like they're about to scare you, or they're about to like zap you back into time and use your time energy. And this is a cookies and cream, as you heard in the video. So I'm gonna eat a bite out of this. Bite out of my angel. Mmm. That's really good.
It tastes good, but I don't like cookies and cream.
I'll put it back in there. So the next one, the very last one we have is a lightsaber. And this one looks so cool. Look at this lightsaber. It is so cool. This is like the lightsaber that Luke lost when he got his hand chopped off in Empire Strikes Back. So let's see. Oh wow. Yeah. Detail in this is amazing. So let's see what this looks like, or this tastes like. Mmm. Good. Okay, so if you want to order from this place, they're really good handmade chocolates. It's the trufflecottage.com. And yeah, everything here tastes excellent. Probably really, really fattening. I wouldn't doubt it, but yeah, they all taste really good, right, Minnie?
Mm-hmm.
All right. So thank you for watching. Remember, like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, visit our website, geekgirlworld.com, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more. What are we calling this?
Unbagging or no, tasting.
Tastings.
Wait, which one was your favorite?
I don't know. Which one was... Yeah, I can tell the apple pie was your favorite. I don't know. I think the chocolate mousse was my favorite. This devil's mark. Or, yeah, this mark one.
Mark of Cain?
It's not the mark
No,
of
no,
Cain.
because that's the one that swirled. Okay.
Yeah. And you haven't even gone that far. Stop skipping around. Anyway, thank you for watching. Bye.